Hi, Daniel Hall here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have yet another great training for you. Today, we're going to show you how to illustrate your book and specifically how to draw or doodle a little Pitbull puppy. This is the kind of thing that you could use for any type of social media campaign or, as I said, illustrating your own book, any other type of branding. And on deck for you, I have my good friend and business partner, Lisa Rothstein, who is in fact a cartoonist for New Yorker magazine, and she's a former Madison Avenue executive responsible for many, many iconic campaigns. And in addition to all of those great things, as you will soon see here, she is excellent. I mean, really, really good at teaching as well. So if you have not yet liked the video, I'd really appreciate you go ahead and do that right now, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell notification as well. So with that, let's jump into this training that we had with Lisa Rothstein. One other thing I will just say here, this class is actually a part of a much longer free class that Lisa did for our Facebook community. And if you want access to all of those free classes, they are available at realfastdoodleprofits.com/FB. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description. With that, let's jump in right now.
Now, a pit bull is a very specific looking dog. So for me, I love to draw dogs. And for me, a pit bull, I would probably have to look at some photographs to really get that one right. But if I think about it, I know that they have like little tiny ears, but big, kind of big, kind of big, big snouts, and maybe they've got some. Everyone thinks of them as having big teeth, and they're kind of heavy dogs. I mean, I'm doing this from memory, but frankly, I don't remember that much what a pit bull looks like. Do they even have a tail? I don't remember, but. So I've got this person. Now, are they observing human behavior? I'm not sure what that even means. You'd have to have some humans here doing something. Maybe kissing. There's two people kissing. I don't know why he's looking at them kissing, but I just thought I'd. Maybe he's wondering like what's going on, like I can imagine this story is I'm gonna make this pit bull a little bit smaller. Here's another thing you can do with the iPad that you can't do. Making him smaller, looking up at these people and wondering like like maybe this woman is his owner, and he's thinking, what's gonna happen now that she's found a boyfriend? What about me? Am I second banana? There's second banana. I mean, I'm just riffing here. But you'd have to. But I mean, the great thing about it's the same thing as with cats. I'm sure that there's all kinds of pictures of pit bulls like sleeping on their back like this. I've seen a lot of dogs do this. My dog does this, but she's not a pit bull, sleeping like this. Something like that. I mean, so you need to kind of look at pictures. But the great thing is, probably because I just don't have a way of. Maybe I do. So here's how I would do this. See if I can make this happen right now in real time. If I were going to go and look at Google Images.
This is Procreate, by the way.
Well, I'm looking. Well, right now I'm on my iPad. I'm on Google. I'm on Images. If I look for a pit bull puppies. I like pit bull puppies. Oh, how cute is that? How cute are these puppies? So I'm going to take this one. No, I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to let's see if I can make this. See if I can take a photograph of the. Oh shoot! Did I? Sometimes it won't let me won't let me do a screen grab. Come on, give me this picture. Good, I got it. Okay, great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Procreate. I'm going to go to another. Whoops, I'll just move all this stuff over. Use the same canvas. I'll move this stuff over. Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to start a new canvas. Just to show you how this would work. I'm going to start a new one. So now I have a new canvas. I'm going to go here and it's going to say insert a photo. I just took a photo. Here's the photo I want. Whoops, not that. Here's the photo I want to insert. Okay, so I can do this. I don't need the whole thing. I'm just going to make it that size. So now I've got this cute little Pitbull puppy. I'm gonna make see that. So now that's a layer 1. So I'm not going to even worry about these others. I'm going to if I want, I'm going to create another layer. I'm going to go to layer 1. I'm going to make it go a little bit, so I can just kind of, not see it quite so much. And I'm going to go to my other layer, and I can start to trace over this. Like, what are the main shapes? I see these little ears. I see that the eyes are very wide apart. The nose is down here, and it has kind of that sad mouth. So, I mean, it's not a perfect picture, and I don't want it to be. Also, this is kind of a 3/4 shot, so their feet are very far back. Their paws are really big. I might exaggerate that a little bit because that makes cartoons are better when they're exaggerated. So I'm gonna really make the paws extra big. It's got wrinkles. I mean, this is not the most beautiful drawing in the world, but I can trace over this and still have, and I don't really like the way this character looks. So I might decide I want to do something more about his expression, and I really like the colors of. So but I don't want to mess up the line. So I'm going to add another layer that is. I'm not even going to rename it. I'm just going to remember that's layer 3, and I'm going to use my watercolor instead of the ink, and I'm going to now I'm going to make those markings.
Aww.
Isn't that cute?
It's adorable.
I can make this bigger too. It's crazy. I can play with this all day long. Make this bigger. I'm not going to worry about where it goes that I don't want it to go because I can always erase that part without hurting the rest of the drawing, like I'm about to do right now. And I can make. Well, you know what? I think I'd like to make. His eyes blue because that's. Okay, so now if I get rid of the photograph, I have this character now. I'm not exactly thrilled with it, the face. So like I'm trying to think like what is it about this? What am I missing? Something's missing. Oh, I think all these little all right, like these little markings on his nose. I think that needs to happen. So I will. I'll do that, and oh, there we go. That's a little better. Gives me a little bit more dimension. Okay, now I get rid of the photograph. I did it on the wrong layer. Okay, fine. Did it on the wrong layer. I'll try it again. I'll try it on layer 2. Okay. Now if I get rid of the photograph, now it's a little bit of a better picture. So you can trace. Or you can just use a picture as reference. Tracing's okay if that's really what you really need to do, and you find a picture that's exactly what you want. But this Pitbull puppy observing human behavior, he looks kind of sad. And I gave him eyebrows. I gave him the eyebrows to kind of make him look a little bit sad. Not sure I like that line as much as I can erase it and make it a little bit less prominent. Yeah, that's better. So, but there's so many pictures you can find online of anything that you want that, I mean, it's crazy. You can use anything for reference. You don't have to trace it.
So I hope that you got some really good pointers and tips for drawing and doodling pit bulls and pit bull puppies and any other kind of puppy. So let's face it, that what Lisa walked us through today, you can apply to just about any kind of a puppy or canine or dog. So if you got value from today's training, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and throw a like, preferably a Hulk smash on that like button, and then of course hit the little bell notification and subscribe as well. Actually, it's the other way around. You gotta hit the subscribe and then the bell notification. One last thing, I want to remind you that if you want all of the free trainings that we did, much like this is actually a part of one of them. We have those all available for you over at realfastdoodleprofits.com/FB. So go over there and check that out. I'll leave the link in the description. One final thing I just want to leave with you here. I almost always end my videos with "be the blessing," and often I'm asked, what do you mean by that? And what I mean by that is, you know that whatever you put out into the universe, whatever you put out into the world, it comes back to you. You are a walking being that attracts things into your life. And those things that you put out, you get back, you attract back. So when I say go out and be the blessing, I'm saying that not only for the good of mankind and society as a whole, but for you too, because you cannot go out and be the blessing to other people without it coming back in so many ways to you. So go out and be the blessing.